but you got in somewhere in here. So if you ended up shedding one here, look at how much money you made. Do you see it?
Yeah.
So stop worrying so much about these little micro moves when you're already so far ahead of the game. Again, stop trying to collect the $36. Let's go ahead and let it run and make 400 today. Deal?
Deal.
Here's the nice thing with V-WAP where you are. Let me show you. The beautiful thing, the difference between V-WAP earlier and V-WAP now is that if you guys bought in somewhere down here, this one was right where you started. This one, look how much higher that is.
Right.
So it's less panic. Remember, the farther away you are, the less panicky we get. So again, worst case scenario, you would collect here. And if it comes down into this area around 179.06. Other than that, you guys still leave it alone. This could be just another stair step. Remember how I said it goes up, down, up, right?